Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so today we're going to be doing the no ammo challenge. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. And yeah, so instead of just using stuff like nades and snowballs, I'm actually going to try Stormheal, but it's going to be a bit harder to do it. Because I'm not allowed to use any ammo. I'm not allowed to use any guns to kill people if they have meds, so that I can have more heals to storm heal. Why did I make that so long? I don't know. I'm just gonna steal all this ammo so nobody else can have it. I'm so mean. Nope. That boss is just standing there like, could I just... Okay, stand still. Oh my, oh, I'm insane. Oh my god. I am insane actually. Oh. Okay. I really need more meds. Are there any people there? Oh no, but there are 2 big pots. Okay, I'm stacked. Wait, but I'm not quite stacked actually, because I can drink this big pot, so I can carry the big pot above me. Okay, I have 4 big pots, 20 bandies, and 2 hybrids. Am I ready to go? I have no idea. I'm just going to use that ale to break that. Cause, no. That's mean. Bandies. I'm going to drink 2 big pots. Never mind. Leave me alone. Okay, I'm just gonna stay. Team. Give me heals, please. Go. I must stay. Stormheal. Please. Thanks. I need meds. Please bring them to me. You're in a bed. See us. Go. Give me heals. Bye. Alright guys, let's hope that they live. They were actually quite nice. Don't call me a bot for teaming. I had no other option or I would have died. Okay, I'm gonna try go here. Okay. I'm back. Protect me. No, he died. Okay. No. I'm gonna upload this for those guys. They were amazing buddies. Goodbye.